Yoba, what's up and what's happening? And welcome back to another episode of It's the Yoba series with me, Chris Harding. So guys, as the video suggests, I am going to be reflecting on my issues with anger and how I have dealt with anger in the past and how anger changed me, how it shaped my life and also eventually improved me as a person. I'm going to be discussing how my anger originally started, where my attitude towards life when I was a younger person, where that took me, and also how I eventually evolved. By the end of this video, I hope that the subjects that I'm about to discuss and talk about in some way helps them. I'm going to be breaking down this video into 8 sections, and the reason that I'm doing that is so that you can see the steps in where I began, how I got to situations and places that I did because of certain reasons, and then also the final step that I can summarize on my attitude towards anger and also frustration and how you can deal with those emotions going forward. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoy this video. Sit tight and enjoy. Okay, play the intro. Come on. Step 1. Why am I making this video? So there are a lot of different things that people suffer with. People suffer with anxiety. People can suffer with fear. People can suffer with things like addiction. And for me personally, the thing that I really felt that I have suffered from is bouts of anger and also a loss of my temper, which in some ways has kind of formed characteristics over the years. Now, when addressing this subject, I'm not saying that I'm walking around with a angry face or that I'm in a bad temper all the time. It's not like that. It's a lot more to do with the fact that I'm trying to discuss ways in which I deal with my anger and coping mechanisms for anger. The other reason that I'm making this video, and the main reason why I'm making this video, is so that people who watch it can hopefully get a little bit of a better understanding of themselves, that if you do struggle with things such as anxiety or things such as anger or depression or possibly some form of addiction, that you feel that there isn't necessarily a roadblock or a junction in your life. I think sometimes we feel that we come to a crossroads in life and that we're either going to go down one path or we're going to go down another. And I'm really just using my experiences in the journeys that I had to go through to be able to get to this point and my analysis on that. So if you're the type of person that feels stuck or frustrated, then I would love it if you could join me on this journey. There are always going to be difficult stages in a person's life, and I don't think anyone is ever going to be exempt from that. From when you're born, whether you're born with a silver spoon in your mouth or whether you're born with a plastic spoon in your mouth, it doesn't really matter. There's always going to be challenges for every individual somewhere along the line. And I hope that my experiences and this video can help you if you are going through some of those stages right now. Overall, my experiences changed my perspective on life, my life personally, and also the way that I perceive life to be. And in general, or overall, I feel that those experiences made me a much better person. Through dealing with anger and being able to control it through application of a focused mindset, I am more patient, compassionate, and reflective than I ever used to be. I hope that these following steps in some way help you as they have done me.
It's the Yo Party